guys, I'm just doing my makeup and found this on Netflix, and you're probably not going to know what it is unless you're like a hardcore fan yet. Look, Robin Williams, that's a clue. Dun, dun, dun. I did my face like really bronze today because I messed up my face cam. Oh, it moved. Wait a minute, I want you to see what I'm watching. Right, keep watching. Flubber! Yeah, so my fake tan went wrong, so I'm trying to like match my face with my hands, and it's very hard. I'm just getting ready and I have to go for an out of hours GP appointment. I haven't told you guys sort of like the thing that this is all connected to yet, and I'm not sure that I want to yet. So I don't know. I'll see what happens at the appointment and then maybe let you guys know, because there's a chance I might be like kept in hospital, and obviously I would want to be vlogging then. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Fingers crossed it goes okay. Oh my goodness, I've just watched Cloverfield on Netflix. I think I can remember it, the commercial, I think, when it came out, and I thought it was a bit rubbish at first, like when I was actually watching it now, because it was kind of like, you know, the whole, ooh, this is like someone actually recording everything on their camera, but then it thanks the directors and the lighting people at the end. Yeah, it started out like one of them, but I don't know, I just felt like I had to finish watching it, and it was absolutely crazy. So yeah, my taxi's due any minute. I'm going to tell you guys what's going on. When I was younger, I used to have sort of fits and stuff, and I had an MRI scan, and it came back abnormal. And then since then, I sort of, you know, I've had bits and pieces that might be related to it, but I'm not sure they are. And I've never had any follow-ups, and obviously with me being in and out of psych hospitals and stuff, I don't know. So anyway, I had another scan, another MRI scan a little while ago, and it's abnormal. So yeah, so basically I've started having like a lot of stuff go on. I mean, I got the scan again because I was getting like flashes of light in the corner of my eyes, and now I've started getting like if I look at something, well, this is like when it's the first time it happened, I was like looking at something white and there was like blue flecks in it. And then I'm talking so much because I've just been rushing around and now I'm really hot. Actually, let me just put my hair up. Stay there, stay there. Oh. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm sorry that. I'm sorry that last night's vlogging was a bit strange, but look at all these treats she's got. Like, honestly. Did you know I'm in your treat cupboard? Huh? Come in then. 1 minute, I'll just give Dolly this. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, sorry that the filming was quite random and stuff last night, but obviously I was in hospital and things, so there's only so much I could do. Good news is I've either got neuralgia which is something to do with what are they called? The nerves or something in your face. And there's like 3 that go 1, 2, 3. And he thinks that this one's not good. But it's either that or it's some kind of infection. So what he said was, okay, so what the doctor said was that the neuralgia, the medication for the neuralgia might just, oh god, my camera keeps cutting out. It might what's the word, like collide with my actual like usual meds, my the antipsychotic and my mood stabilizer. He thinks it would have an effect on them. So and as well he said it takes quite a while to actually like get in your system, so he's given me the antibiotics in case it's an infection, and then I have an appointment with my neurosurgeon next week, and it'll tie in that the end of the antibiotics course will be like just when I'm seeing him, so if it hasn't worked he can sort like neuralgia stuff out, if that's what it is, or if it's to do with this thing they found on my brain, then obviously, you know, you can do something like that as well. I'm just on my way into Blythe. Need to pick up a few bits and pieces. Yeah, I guess that's it. So I'll maybe show you guys what I get when I get home. Hope you're all having a good Saturday and happy Easter! What is it with cats and wrapping paper? Tell me the answer. Dolly? Hi! Happy Easter! Good morning! Good morning! Do you know what the Easter Bunny left for you? Do you know? Look!